Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into a delicious and powerful food combinations that can help manage and prevent high blood pressure. Another powerhouse healthy food that we're making is a wholesome oatmeal and berries bowl. This dish is not only delicious, but also packed with health benefits that can improve your overall well-being. Let's dive into why this meal is a fantastic addition to your diet. Make sure to subscribe, hit that notification bell, and stick around to learn some easy and tasty ways to support your heart health naturally. Let's get started. First, let's discuss the incredible benefits of this nutrient-dense bowl. 1. Heart health. Oatmeal is a fantastic choice for heart health. It's rich in soluble fiber, which helps lower cholesterol levels and supports cardiovascular function. Regularly including oats in your diet can help keep your heart happy. 2. Stable blood sugar. Oats have a low glycemic index, meaning they release glucose slowly into your bloodstream. This helps maintain stable blood sugar levels and keeps you feeling full longer, making it an excellent option for breakfast or a snack. 3. Digestive health. The fiber in oats promotes healthy digestion by supporting regular bowel movements and feeding the good bacteria in your gut. This can help reduce bloating and improve overall gut health. Now, let's talk about how this bowl can help prevent disease. 1. Cholesterol reduction. The beta-glucan fiber in oats has been shown to reduce LDL bad cholesterol levels. This can lower your risk of heart disease and stroke. 2. Oxidative stress prevention. Berries are packed with antioxidants, which help combat oxidative stress in the body. By reducing free radicals, these antioxidants can lower the risk of chronic diseases, including cancer and heart disease. 3. Overall health. Incorporating fiber-rich foods like oats and berries can help maintain a healthy weight, which is crucial for preventing a variety of health issues. Let's take a look at the vitamins found in this delicious bowl. Vitamin B1 thiamine, essential for energy metabolism and helps your body convert carbohydrates into energy. It's also important for nerve function. Vitamin B2 riboflavin plays a key role in energy production and helps the body use fats, carbohydrates, and proteins. It also supports healthy skin and eyes. Vitamin C, an important antioxidant that boosts your immune system, supports skin health, and helps the body absorb iron from plant-based sources. Ready to make this nutritious oatmeal bowl? Here's how to prepare it. 1. Start by cooking half a cup of oats. You can use either water or your choice of milk. Almond, soy, or cow's milk all work well. Bring your liquid to a boil, then stir in the oats and reduce the heat. Cook for about 5 to 10 minutes, stirring occasionally until the oats are creamy and cooked to your liking. 2. Once your oats are ready, transfer them to a bowl. Point 3. Now, let's add some toppings. Top your oatmeal with a generous serving of mixed berries. Strawberries, blueberries, raspberries, or blackberries are all great options. 4. For an extra nutritional boost, sprinkle a tablespoon of ground flaxseed on top. Flaxseed is high in omega-3 fatty acids, which are great for heart health and adds a nice nutty flavor. Here are a few tips to make your oatmeal bowl even more delightful. Experiment with toppings. Add nuts, seeds, or a drizzle of honey or maple syrup for sweetness. You can also sprinkle some cinnamon for added flavor and health benefits. Meal prep. Oats can be made in advance. You can cook a large batch and store it in the fridge for a quick breakfast throughout the week. Customize your bowl. Feel free to swap out the berries for your favorite fruits or even add some sliced banana or apple for variety. And there you have it, a delicious and nutritious oatmeal and berries bowl that's perfect for starting your day right. This meal is not only satisfying, but also packed with health benefits that can enhance your overall well-being. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more healthy recipes, and let me know in the comments how you like to customize your oatmeal. Until next time, stay healthy and happy. Next, we're diving into a kitchen staple that's not just flavorful, but also incredibly beneficial for your health. Green leafy vegetables. Think spinach, kale, and Swiss chard. These vibrant veggies are packed with nutrition and can offer a multitude of health benefits. Let's explore why you should be including more leafy greens in your meals, the vitamins they provide, and some easy ways to prepare them. Let's dive in. First, let's discuss the amazing benefits of incorporating leafy greens into your diet. Heart health. Green leafy vegetables are high in fiber, which is crucial for digestive health and can help lower cholesterol levels. By adding more fiber to your diet, you support your heart and reduce the risk of cardiovascular disease. Antioxidant properties. These greens are rich in antioxidants, which help fight oxidative stress in the body. This can reduce inflammation and may lower the risk of chronic diseases such as diabetes and cancer. Weight management. Leafy greens are low in calories, but high in volume and nutrients, making them perfect for weight management. They can help you feel full while providing essential vitamins and minerals. Now, let's take a closer look at the vitamins found in leafy greens. Vitamin A. Leafy greens are an excellent source of vitamin A, which is essential for eye health, immune function, and skin health. It plays a key role in maintaining good vision and overall health. Vitamin C. This vitamin is known for its immune-boosting properties and is crucial for the production of collagen, which supports skin health and wound healing. Vitamin K. Leafy greens are particularly rich in vitamin K, which is vital for blood clotting and bone health. Including these vegetables in your diet can help ensure you meet your daily vitamin K needs. So, how can you easily incorporate leafy greens into your meals? Here are some simple and delicious ideas. 1. Fresh salads. Use fresh leafy greens as the base for salads. Combine them with colorful veggies, nuts, and a light dressing for a nutritious meal. You can mix spinach and kale for added texture and flavor. 2. Sauteing. Saute greens in olive oil with garlic for a quick and tasty side dish. This method enhances their flavor and makes them more palatable, especially for those who might not enjoy them raw. 3. Smoothies. Blend leafy greens into your morning smoothies. Spinach and kale blend well with fruits like bananas and berries, giving you a nutrient-packed drink to start your day. 4. Cooking in dishes. Add chopped greens to soups, stews, or pasta dishes. They wilt down nicely and can be a great way to boost the nutrition of your favorite recipes. And there you have it. Green leafy vegetables are a powerhouse of nutrition, offering numerous health benefits that can support your heart, boost your immune system, and help with weight management. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more health tips and delicious recipes. How do you like to use leafy greens in your cooking? Let me know in the comments below. Until next time, stay healthy and happy. Another staple food we're making is a delicious and nutritious dish, sweet potato and black bean salad. This vibrant salad is not only packed with flavor, but also offers a wealth of health benefits. Let's dive into what makes this salad so special, the vitamins it provides, and how to prepare it easily at home. Let's get started. First, let's talk about the fantastic benefits of this salad. Sweet potatoes are a great source of complex carbohydrates, which provide sustained energy. They're a perfect choice for anyone looking to fuel their day with wholesome nutrition. Both sweet potatoes and black beans are high in fiber. Fiber is essential for good digestion and helps keep your gut healthy by promoting regularity and feeding beneficial gut bacteria. This salad can also help lower blood pressure. Sweet potatoes are rich in potassium, which is known to help regulate blood pressure levels, while the fiber in black beans contributes to heart health. Now, let's discuss how this dish can help with disease prevention. Heart disease risk. The combination of fiber, antioxidants, and healthy fats in this salad helps reduce the risk of heart disease. By lowering cholesterol levels and improving blood vessel function, you're supporting your cardiovascular health. Blood sugar balance. The fiber in sweet potatoes and black beans helps stabilize blood sugar levels, making this salad a smart choice for anyone looking to manage their blood sugar or prevent spikes. Next, let's take a look at the vitamins you'll get from this delicious salad. Vitamin A. Sweet potatoes are an excellent source of vitamin A, which is crucial for vision, immune function, and skin health. Vitamin C. This vitamin is essential for immune support and acts as a powerful antioxidant, helping to protect your cells from damage. Vitamin B6, important for metabolism and brain health. Vitamin B6 supports various bodily functions and can help improve mood. Vitamin K. This vitamin is vital for blood clotting and bone health. Including it in your diet can help keep your bones strong. So, how can you easily prepare this sweet potato and black bean salad? Here's a simple recipe to follow. 1. Start by roasting a cup of diced sweet potatoes in the oven. Toss them with a bit of olive oil, salt, and pepper, and roast at 400 degrees Fahrenheit, about 200 degrees Celsius, for 20 to 25 minutes until they're tender and slightly caramelized. 2. In a large bowl, combine the roasted sweet potatoes with 1 cup of cooked black beans, 1 diced bell pepper for a crunch, and a tablespoon of olive oil. You can also add some lime juice, cumin, or cilantro for an extra burst of flavor. 3. Gently toss everything together until well combined. This salad can be enjoyed warm or chilled, making it a versatile option for any meal. And there you have it. Sweet potato and black bean salad is a delicious, nutritious dish that boosts energy, supports gut health, and helps lower blood pressure. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more health tips and tasty recipes. How do you like to enjoy sweet potatoes or black beans? Let me know in the comments below. Until next time, stay healthy and happy.